I got it welded in and cleaned up mostly. Welds are mediocre, some pinholes or whatever. This is going over the top, so I'm not too worried about cleaning it up anymore. I still need to pull the MIG out and tack these on. But yeah, it's all new metal, and this will all get undercoating, and I gotta get some seam sealer to seal the cap. I'm using this stuff. It seems to work pretty good. It's a little weird, but fans on. Just a quick look before. And that's where I've done some already. Sanded it, but apologies for the fan noise, but I need to ventilate. So at one point I dropped this on the jack or the jack stand. I can't remember what happened, but I'm going to try and fix this now. So it's just going to be basically welding the washer on here, welding that to a pipe, and trying off of this cross member here. So I'm going to get to that. Not that on there. Yeah. Let's see if I can get the pipe on there. Alright, so here's where I say I don't know what I'm doing. It looks like it's working. Well, I broke my welds off my pipe and landed on my butt, but I think I can cut that off there and tack it there. Yeah, totally. Now I gotta cut it off there. Not sure how well it shows up, but that worked pretty good. It's a little ugly here, but this all gets covered with the bumper and whatnot, so should be good. Now I just need to get that crooked out of that and clean up the whole rest of this. I made a mistake of leaving that stuff on here, but it did seem to neutralize all the rust, so there's that. Yeah, I might brush some more on here tonight. Okay, I am ready to make a mess in here. Gonna clean all this off here and get this ready for paint. Made a bit of progress today. Just a couple hours work, but getting there. Not sure where I left off last, but it was here. This is how far I got. Today we're gonna try and get rid of the rest of this red paint and get it ready for sealing and painting. you wouldn't notice, but it's been quite a break because it's been too hot in here to do anything. So now we're back at it because it's raining. It's lovely and cool. Alright, back to it. So this truck has this undercoating. See that there? It's like a oil-based undercoating. It's kind of dry right at the moment, but I don't want to spray the rubber-based undercoating that I plan to use over that. And I need to weld up all these seams, and I got tired of wire wheels and all that crap, so I am going to use some of this, and hopefully that makes pretty short work of this stuff. Yeah, because this, I don't know what that stuff is, but it's got to come out of there. So I got some stuff to apply it and remove it, and I got myself a mask so I don't have to breathe this stuff in because it is nasty stuff. So I'll set this up and do a little bit with the camera, and then I'll probably just do both fender wells and bring it back when it's cleared out. So that stuff doesn't work, but it did sort of soften it a bit, so I can scrape a bit, and I'm wire wheeling it off, and then using acetone and a wire brush to get to this point here. So basically scraping it off as much as possible, wire wheel to get the last bit of chunks off, and then yeah, like I said, acetone, wire brush seems to be doing the trick. Going to be a lot of work. I will see you in a month. So I got this side all cleaned up. Well, not all cleaned up, but mostly cleaned up. Just a little bits left. Really the only rust is down there, which isn't too bad. A little pitting, but not too bad. Everything else looks alright. So yeah, on to the next side. Yeah, this side I got a bit of work to do again today, so probably will take all day today. Get all this crap off of here. So I'm gonna get to it, and then yeah, then maybe we can start welding up this spot, or however I'm gonna seal that part of the cab. I don't know yet. So just a quick demo of how I'm getting this off here, which is mostly this guy. It's mostly this guy. Now I'm going to do the whole rest of this thing. So I'm sure you would love to watch me do that, but I want to film it, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to watch it anyway, so I'll get that done and bring it back when this is all not a mess. this side stripped of that crap. It was a lot of fun. Took plenty of hours, like 4 hours, 3 hours. So now I gotta clean all this up with like acetone and a wire brush, and then I gotta do the same thing, do a bunch of other stuff and get everything prepped and ready for paint. Got it mostly stripped. There's a little bit left to do. I'm not too worried about the red. Like, that should be fine. Some primer over it. I got the inner fenders all stripped of the undercoating, which was disgusting. I still need to clean the frame up some. Gonna fix that. Undercoating's gone. You can see my old floor repair right there. Hopefully get it tidied up with some coatings on it and get it painted red. And I can put the engine together and get it put in here. Got lots of other stuff going on though, so it takes its turn.